Hi, and good morning from beautiful Calvi. It's bright and sunny. It's very warm already, so that's going to be a bit of a bother for me, I think, as I suffered immensely yesterday. So I think it's going to be 30 degrees as well, and yeah, the wind is going to be the same. So yeah, lots of uncertainties today. So it's going to be a bit of an exciting day in the physical sense, I suppose. But first order of business is to try and find the birthplace of a very famous person. Alright, let's go, on y va. So around here somewhere should be a possible birthplace to Christopher Columbus, and as I think historians now say that he's definitely from Genoa, and as these parts, Corsica, used to belong to Genoa for quite a long time, I think from the 13th to 18th century or something. They actually found a place where they say that that was his house. So, but I think there's a few candidates, but let's see if we can find it. How cute, you can buy a souvenir for 14.50, one for €6. It's always the same. So this apparently is the ruins of what could be the birthplace to Christopher Columbus. Well, it's not much to see, obviously, which is a shame. Let's see. So that will be it. That's all there is to see, guys. So who's to say it's not the real deal, eh? I don't know. But yeah, so two famous people from Corsica, Napoleon and Columbus. I certainly didn't know that about Columbus. So. Right, I'll do some exploring myself now. Heading over towards Porto is the name. Right, about to leave Calvi now. The coastal route this is. Love it. Here come the military. Well, I think they can suffocate the opponents by the fumes, eh? Wow. Bloody hell. Berge, 12 kilometers. That might actually be the only option for anything in the upcoming 30k or so. It's already 12. Whoa. Yeah, maybe at 1. That would be nice. That's peculiar road surface. A bit of nothing. Romans could have done a better job, eh? Well, that was a great lunch here. Happy to have found this place. Now a little downhill, then way up again. Well, I didn't know Napoleon was in the wine business as well, but that's his old dwellings. So I think I have a bit of a downhill now, and then yeah, the longest ascension of the day. So Wish me luck. Alright, see you later. Well, this is the best time to ride in France, lunchtime. So it's nice and quiet. Just I wish there was a bit more shade. Ooh. Oh, why is there no shade? And by the way, I hope this lens actually works, because I felt that my normal lens has a lot of sun flare lately, ever since my tour through Bretagne. So I've mounted another one with an ND filter, but yeah, I don't know actually if it works, so hope it does. Anyway, let's continue. That's nice. Shade. And it is 29 degrees, so this is most welcome. Oh. Yay. First animals I pretty much have seen on Corsica, really, so oh yeah, look at that, how awesome. Ooh. So I guess around the corner somewhere should be Porto, or around that corner. I hope it's that one. 5k, yeah, my bet's on that corner. Let's hope so.
Dimmi cosa ne va tu, senza de senza erogarezze, e finirà la mia gioventù. Quando ti porterà sta canzone, o quando ti parlerà di me, o mio cuore mi ti perdona, e lui non può campare senza te. Della mia vena amara, tu non hai pietà. Suona questa chitarra, non mi vuole lasciare.